Okay, ready, go.
I looked out the window and what did I see? Popcorn popping right before my eyes. I'm supposed to make a treat. A popcorn ball that smells so sweet. It wasn't where to so bad a thing to be. Popcorn popping right before my eyes.
On the apricot tree.
Hey, I said popcorn popping right before my eyes.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I want to say it that way.
Okay.
Because that's the right way I can sing it.
Okay, sounds good. Alright. How was Halloween yesterday? This is for Grandma and Papa Redondo. Can you say, want to tell them about your monkey costume?
Yeah.
What about it?
I was wearing my monkey costume and ate too much candy outside and trick-or-treating at Halloween. At night. When we went to bed.
Alright, say, I love you.
I love you. Bye-bye, camera.
No, who are you talking to? I love you, Grandma and Papa Redondo.
I love you, Grandma and Papa Redondo, camera.
Did you know they gave you that shirt, that sweater you're wearing?
What?
They gave you that sweater you're wearing.
My camera, you mean?
Grandma and Papa Redondo gave you that sweater you're wearing.
My camera?
Don't be goofy. Alright, say see you later.
See you later. Bye.